Hello, Michigan virtual students. In this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset a quiz in case an instructor asks you to retake it, or if you want to retake a quiz just to study for a unit exam. So this is how we do that. So we will click on syllabus tab here, and the same applies for other assignments. So example, if you want to redo this assignment or this assignment, you can click on retake and it'll reset it for you. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to do it specifically for a quiz. So scroll down and locate the particular quiz. We'll click on retake. And then it will load your previous quiz. And it's a good idea to review the questions to get feedback on why you got the questions right or wrong. And then when you're ready to retake it, simply click on try again. And then after this warning pops up, click on redo, and your new quiz will load for you. So that is a brief tutorial on how to reset a quiz.